The month of January is going to be a very beautiful month, even though that we had Mars retrograde that has been retrograding since the last week. And I left you here in the comments another video about this Mars retrograde and how affect our collective psyche. Even though that, well, the month of January is going to be like a sweet candy for many people, because January the first day of 2025, Venus is going to enter in the energy of Pisces. The energy of Pisces is the energy of the unification with everything. Is the energy that connects us all. Is the energy that connects the whole unconscious collective. Is the energy that connects us the most with the source or God, depending on how we want to call it. And Venus is the energy of love. It's a planet that represents the love, the things that we want, the love for the things that we want, and the love that we had from ourselves. And during the whole month of January is going to be transiting the energy of Pisces. And well, Venus in Pisces is like a sweet candy for our souls, because it's like connecting with the pure love of the source. And during this transition, it's important to know that there's two strong planets that are actually right now transiting by the energy of Pisces. One of them is Saturn and the other one is Neptune. So Venus is going to make conjunction and affecting that energy with both of them. First with Saturn. Saturn is the planet that rules the energy of Capricorn. Saturn is a Yang energy, and Venus, of course, is a yin energy, a feminine energy, while Saturn is the energy of the father, the energy of the discipline, is the one that comes to say, okay, now we're going to take the power, but you need to go this way. You need to take responsibility of this before you got this. That's why we call it the energy of the father. And in this conjunction, Saturn is going to tell to Venus, okay, you want that? Perfect, but you need to take responsibility of this first, because Saturn also is the one that is going to put everything on Earth, is the one that plays down everything on Earth. We can have many illusions, many desires of our souls, but Saturn, that is an Earth planet ruling the energy of Capricorn, is the one that knows how to do it in here, and is the one that is going to say, okay, you have these three dreams, but only this one is going to be manifested on Earth. And for that, you need to take responsibility of something within you. And that's the energy that we're going to feel during the conjunction, during the 24th, 25th, and 26th of January. But later, Venus is going to continue transiting by the energy of Pisces, and at the end of the month and beginning of February is going to be in conjunction with the energy of Neptune, and also with the energy of the North Lunar Node, which is the point of evolution of the whole humanity that is in Aries, taking action for myself. And this conjunction between Neptune, the North Lunar Node, Venus, and also Mercury, the planet that represents the mind, the intellect, they're going to be in a beautiful conjunction. So that dream that Saturn says to us, okay, hold on for this dream, because this one is the one that you can manifest here on Earth. Well, that dream is going to be visited by your own muse, the muse of your inner essence. In my opinion, this moment of the end of January is going to be like a romantic moment, but not a romantic like lover. It's going to be a moment of inspiration, for that we want to create in this life. And well, the only opposition that we can encounter during the month of January and February is probably what I was talking before about Mars retrograde. When Mars is retrograde, our capacity to take action decrease a little. So we don't feel with that, not confidence, but with the impulse to take the action. And during these 2 months, January and February, January is going to be like a dream, a beautiful dream of inspiration. But our Mars is not going to be very ready. So it's important to follow the advice that I give you in this video that I place in the comments, because, well, that is going to help you to have your warrior a little more focused into what you want. Also, Mars is going to be in the energy of Cancer and retrograde. We can encounter some oppositions from our family, and we can add a little passive aggressive and things like that. So we need to be very aware of that. Be inspired by the muse, and do things for our inner warrior to stay focused so we can continue, because at the end of the day, this year for me is a metamorphosis. It's a metamorphosis in the psyche of all human beings, and of course of the collective consciousness, because we all need to come back to our inner guru, is what I would say at the beginning of the video. Okay, it's going to be a metamorphosis that we're going to be prepared. And during the 6 first months of the year, we are going to be prepared for this metamorphosis that is going to start to move more from the months of March to the end of the year.